Journey to the Light. So, Cy, your paranormal romance is Journey to the Light, and it will be acted out. Characters will come on. Ro, Tom, and Anna will come on as different characters as needed during this story as Cy introduces characters. So, take it away, Cy. Journey to the Light, paranormal romance.
Journey to the Light, a paranormal romance by Cy. Chapter 1. Belinda was a quiet person. She kept to herself. She read. She enjoyed her vacations on the beach. But she realized her life was lonely. Even though it was a life of leisure, she found herself wondering, will I ever find someone I can share this lonely life with?
Oh, I like this life of leisure, but will I ever find someone I can settle down with?
What Belinda didn't realize was that Schuyler, a ghost from the 18th century, was listening and had been following her. And he found her quite fetching.
Pardon me, dear maiden, but I find you quite so fetching.
I can't see you, sir, but I like your voice.
She was taken with the voice and found herself wondering, I wonder if there's some way, some method by which I might in fact meet this disembodied voice who sounds so nice and seems to in fact like me.
How can I meet you? I wonder if there's a way.
I haven't any ideas, for my understanding of technology is quite passé, if you will.
Belinda got out her phone and began to Google. And she realized nearby at a small little hut on the far end of the beach, there was a medium named Madame Zenelda. And Madame Zenelda specialized in communicating with spirits. Belinda made her way over quickly.
Let's go!
I don't have to run, as I am a ghost!
We're here.
Welcome, come in. I can see the problem between the two of you.
Yes,
the corporeal and the non-corporeal. You have come to the right place.
Madame Zenelda was very intuitive and realized exactly what was wrong. In fact, she was a paranormal matchmaker, and she knew this was exactly her calling. This couple would be her greatest masterpiece.
Please, you simply must help us.
It's my specialty. Don't worry about a thing. I've got you covered.
Belinda worried if she would be able to afford the services of Madame Zenelda.
How can I afford this?
I always work for donation. Whatever you give me will be perfect.
Worry not. I put 1 gold piece in the bank 300 years ago.
Luckily, only Belinda could hear that, so Madame Zenelda couldn't get greedy.
Thank you.
Madame Zenelda found herself staring into her crystal ball, lighting all of her candles, burning all of the sage, almost burning the hut down, but she was very careful. She actually knew what she was doing. And she communicated with Schuyler, the ghost.
Young man!
Yes, please help me.
I feel your presence. Oh, my goodness, you really haven't been here in a while. Your clothes are so out of date. Never mind.
She was also a part-time consultant for StitchFix.com.
Young man. Oh, there is an... Oh, the devil. Schuyler!
Yes!
Oh, fine. All you have to do is concentrate on the stone in my hand.
Belinda and Schuyler stared at the stone from opposite sides of the room, not realizing they were looking directly into each other's eyes. stone quivered. It shook. It glowed. And suddenly Madame Zemelda said the magic words.
Shazam!
And Skylar came to life.
It's wonderful. I have hands again and feet.
But that
is my specialty, all right?
But that beard. Oh, I didn't expect that.
Well,
Hey,
it was the style at the time.
no complaints, little missy.
Madame Zemelda flipped the sign around that said medium to where it said barber, and they commenced to cleaning Skylar up to 21st century stylistic sensibilities. Clad in his goatee, they scampered off back to the beach to begin their beautiful new life, and Madame Zemelda wished them well.
I love you.
I love you too, but I'm not really a beach person.
Oh.
And so began their long debate about where to live their corporeal lives together. That'll be book 2. The end.
Well, let's hear it for Cy and Journey to the Light.